Where you been?
Well, Sonny boy, I've been off of social media for a while, but I'm back. For the most part, I've been devising my new strategy and being a father. Recently, the kids came to me with a dead bird.
Okay, we're burying the dead bird. Okay.
Hey, can we give it a gravestone? No.
Yeah, you want to make a gravestone for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the parents can make the gravestone, and
All right, let me start the hole for you.
I put the dirt on it.
You've been respectful to it. I cover it up, you all.
Come on. Y'all have to get our hands dirty. No.
Cover it up. Good job. You all did a nice thing. That's very nice of you all.
But so step on that door, a bird would kind of like flirt off.
You think the bird's gonna come alive and fly out? Do y'all want to say something nice about the bird?
Birdie, I love birds and birds love humans, but sometimes they were scared. And you will always have a great heart and a great feeling.
Good. You want to say something nice about birds?
Pretty?
Birds are pretty. All right. Good job, ladies. Say something nice about the bird.
He was amazing. He very much looked like a good bird. And I'm sorry for whatever happened. Mother Nature, if you're watching this, I'm very sorry.
You want to say something about the bird? Bird's life?
Yes. I hope that it had a good life. And whatever killed it needs to be punished in some way.
Well, maybe
Besides being killed.
Maybe it died of natural causes.